and welcome back to my channel. If we haven't met yet, my name is Megan and I am so glad that you are about to join my partner and I on a 24-hour adventure race up in Cheyenne, Wyoming. Made it here to Curt Gowdy after a little bit of a flat tire mishap, but it is absolutely beautiful. We've got about 30 minutes until check-in, so it's the night before the race at 5 p.m. We can go up and grab our maps, and the race will start tomorrow morning at 9 a.m.
Hey, how's it going?
Hi, good.
What is your last name? One way or the other to get the
Of course, because my goal was 1:30, you can clear this course. That makes it a little bit shorter for my experience.
Is that you?
If you ever want to know how you're doing, all you have to know is if you want to
All right, we're in the boat now. Paddle 1 of the 24-hour race.
I feel like I'm gonna have a lot of butt stuff for this video.
Yeah. The whole video. Scheduled post. Got it? Okay, let me. Well, we just I accidentally face planted her into a bush, so.
It's not adventure racing until you attack your team.
It's too early for that, though.
After being the best thing of silence, I have no desire.
Having fun yet?
Oh yeah.
Heading to our last 2 mountain bike points in the park. All right, here's the checkpoint that took us an extra 45 minutes to get because we went to the other side of that road. It said no trespassing. So then we took the bike trail. Kind of a headache. Just feeling very dizzy. This sucks. I'm not gonna give up, but I feel bad for my teammate. But I literally just feel like crap. I don't know if it's the heat, the elevation, or what. Alright, we are leaving the start finish, aka TA, and we just finished leg 1. And I still feel like crap, so we're no longer thinking we're going to clear the course, but we are heading out to get as many as we can in the time we have. Made it up here to 1 CP in Edisonville. I still feel like crap. Just threw up everything that I took in. And yeah, I think we're heading back now. See if we can get a few more CPs in the park. All right, we're back on the road. heading to the start-finish area. I'm gonna try to get some food on me, try to keep some liquids down so that we can go and get on this trek. We have a trek, a mountain bike, and a paddle left, and it's only 6 o'clock, so take some time to regroup. My teammate is being a rock star. I hate feeling like this, but it's beautiful out here. So even though I feel like crap, at least the scenery looks gorgeous. I don't know if you can see it over there, but it is so pretty. Heading out on the trek. Oh yeah. Nothing like a sunset bushwhack. I'll take it. This is beautiful. I had to work for this one. Got another high point on the track. You can't see it on the GoPro, but the stars are incredible. I've seen 6 shooting stars so far. I don't know if you can see anything. So we're over here at the dam. Just getting the CP. And we're off on a second bike leg. This is the mountain biking leg around the park. First, I gotta climb about 1,000 feet on the road. CP2 on the mountain bike leg. My star count is up to 26. And there was a wedding here today.
You're like,
Yeah, it's H.
Wash my sins away. Praying, 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 praying for another day. I went down to that river.
Sun's coming up. We're getting our second to last CP on the mountain bike leg.
Staring back at me, I'm a dead man walking. I'm a dead man walking. I'm a dead man.
On our last paddle, 3 CPs left, and we have 2 hours. Beautiful sunrise. Our last checkpoint.
oh, okay.
Hey guys, so obviously I am not still racing. My GoPro unfortunately died right before the finish, And thank goodness I am feeling better now. I was feeling better during the nighttime, but if you watch that footage from the day, I was struggling. Shout out to my teammate for pushing me and to my stubborn personality for not giving up. We ended up placing 5th overall and 1st in the female division, having a blast on the mountain bike, and it was just a great course overall, designed by Rev 3. Only 3 teams ended up clearing the course, 1 soloist and 2 teams. So it was a tough course, but it was beautiful. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more adventurous content, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.